What if the universe is both infinitely vast and eerily silent, suggesting we might be alone? Yet the very act of observing a tiny particle changes its reality. What if traveling through time could erase your own existence? Or if a ship rebuilt plank by plank somehow loses its original identity? These aren't just clever brain teasers. These are paradoxes, deep, perplexing contradictions that unravel the very fabric of what we understand about reality, time, and even consciousness itself. They don't just puzzle scientists. They haunt them, because solving them might just unlock the universe's deepest secrets. Prepare to have your perception of reality warped. The Grandfather Paradox. Imagine inventing a time machine. You hop in, travel back in time, and prevent your grandfather from meeting your grandmother. If they never meet, your parents are never born, and neither are you. So, how could you have gone back in time to prevent your own existence in the first place? It's a seemingly ironclad logical loop that challenges the very notion of cause and effect when time travel is involved. Does the universe simply forbid such a trip? Or is there a hidden layer of reality where multiple timelines exist, branching off with every decision? Fermi Paradox. The universe is unimaginably vast, with billions upon billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars. Many of these stars are likely orbited by planets in habitable zones. Given the sheer scale and age of the cosmos, statistical probability suggests that intelligent life should be abundant. So, where is everybody? Why haven't we detected any signs of alien civilizations? This is the Fermi Paradox, and its silence is deafening. Are we alone? Or are there filters, great barriers, that prevent civilizations from reaching a certain point, or perhaps communication beyond their own planet? The observer effect. Prepare for your mind to be truly blown. In the quantum world, particles behave like waves when we're not looking at them. But the moment we try to observe them, they choose to act like particles. It's like the universe is playing hide and seek with its fundamental nature. How can the act of observation fundamentally change reality? Does consciousness play a role in shaping the physical world? This paradox suggests that objective reality, as we perceive it, might be far more intertwined with our subjective experience than we ever imagined. Olbers Paradox. Look up at the night sky. It's mostly dark, right? But if the universe is infinite and uniformly filled with stars, then in any given direction you look, your line of sight should eventually hit a star. This would mean the entire night sky should be ablaze with light, brighter than the sun. Yet it's not. This is Olbers Paradox. Its resolution points to the fact that the universe isn't infinite and static. It's expanding, and it had a beginning, meaning light from very distant stars hasn't had time to reach us yet, and some light is redshifted out of our visible spectrum. A dark sky, paradoxically, tells us a lot about the Big Bang. The ship of Theseus Paradox. Imagine a legendary ship. Over centuries, every single plank, every single mast, every single part of the ship is replaced due to wear and tear. Is it still the same ship? And what if you then took all the original discarded parts and reassembled them into a second ship? Which one is the original ship of Theseus? This ancient philosophical paradox forces us to confront fundamental questions about identity, persistence, and what truly constitutes a thing over time. It echoes in modern science when we consider the constant renewal of cells in our own bodies. Are we the same person we were a decade ago? These aren't just clever riddles. They are cracks in our understanding, invitations to rethink the very foundations of physics, cosmology, and even consciousness. Scientists aren't stuck on these paradoxes. They are fueled by them, because within these contradictions lie the keys to unlocking a deeper, more accurate picture of reality. And perhaps that's the most profound paradox of all. That by embracing what seems impossible, we move closer to the truth. What paradox keeps you awake? Let us know in the comments.